Mosses are the largest group of bryophytes found in Poland. Over 200 of the 700 described species are closely related to forests. They are generally small in size, from a few millimeters to a few centimeters. The exception is the common haircap, which can grow to a height of over 50 centimeters. Mosses are the most common plants we can come across when walking in the forest, in a meadow or in a park, where we see them in smaller or larger groups. They form turf, carpets or cushions made up of individual leafy, sometimes branched stems. Erect or creeping, they are attached to the ground by rhizoids.